In this lesson, we are talking about switch. Switch statement execute one statement from multiple conditions. It is like if-else ladder statement. We use if statement to choose one of the many alternatives, but as the number of alternatives increases, the complexity of program also increases. So to make it simpler, Java has a multi-way decision statement which is called as switch. Let's look at syntax. Switch keyword have an expression, and inside the switch block we have a case keyword which has a value ended with colon. So expression, if expression match to value 1, so then it will controller will come to print or read the block 1. So if at the end of the block we found the break, then the program will be break and controller will come out of block. So if break is not exist here, the controller will automatically read the other cases also. So now we have break here, the controller case end of the case, the controller will end. Or if the expression is not match with value 1, it will come, controller will check for case value 2 or case value or value 3. So if we got matched, then controller will read the block 2. So if the break is present, the program will break and controller will come outside the block, and so on. We can have up to n cases according to need. So if we all case are not matched to expression, then default block will be execute. Flowchart for switch statement. Expression, if expression match to case 1, then statement will print. If the break present, the controller will come out of block. If break is not present, a controller automatically will print the statement 2, and it will also check same like first statement. So if expression are not matched to case 1, controller will check for case 2, and so on up to n cases. If all these cases are not matched, then default statement will be executed by controller. Example for switch statement. Let's open editor. Class show number let's save to demo directory. We have lots of files. First I want to delete all these files. Name same as a class name, show number.java. integer number, assign value to switch number, case value, for example 0, if the number is matched to case, so then print then break case 1, default keyword is optional. If you don't have a default keyword, so still it will work. So default is like else part. If all these are not matched, then default will print system dot out println message not given number is not matched. Last we have a break. So let's review the program. Integer, we declare integer variable, assign number to. So if the condition in number, if the match to case 1, it will print and break the program, this block. If not match, then controller will see for case 1 up to case 3. If all are not matched, then default message will print. So right now we have number 2, it will match with case 2, so it will print this message. Or if we have a case number 3, it will match to case 3. It will print this message, because we have in this message in 2 cases, if match to case number 2 or case number 3. So let's write it 1 and save. Shift keyboard right click, open command window here, Java C, compile the file. What's the file name? Show number, show num.java. We don't have any error. We got a class. So let's run Java show number is 1. This message number is 1 is printed. Let's see if we don't have the break, so what will happen. Let's comment this. So now it will not readable. It means we don't have break. If you same as like this, save. Two message is printing. Why two message is printing? Because number is matched to case 1, this message will print, so we don't have break here to break the block. It will see the other message. This is also printing, so we got break. It will break, or if we erase this break also, then it will print this message also. We will break this because we want specific block to be printed as a, we have a condition here. So if we have number 4 or 5, so we have number 5 is not present here, then this all will not match, then this message will print. Let's save. Compile again. The given number is not matched.